As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1000 B00FDOONEC and the Genesis E335 B0CPGNQ571. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Genesis is definitely a step up in price, clocking in at over $1,000, while the Q1000 is around $229. But look at the size difference. The Q1000 is super portable, only about 27 pounds.
True. The Q1000's dimensions are much smaller, good for tailgating. But what about cooking space?
The Q1000 has a cooking area of 189 square inches, perfect for small meals. The Genesis? That's a beast. I don't know the exact cooking area, but it's much bigger, plus it's got a side burner for sauces.
3 burners versus 1. Makes sense. The Q1000 only puts out 8,500 BTU, while the Genesis, well, it doesn't specify, but I bet it's significantly more.
Definitely. The Genesis also boasts Weber's Pure Blue burner system for even heat, and flavorizer bars to catch drippings. Fancy stuff.
The Q1000 is simpler. Porcelain enameled cast iron grates, push-button ignition. Easy peasy.
And it runs on disposable propane cylinders, whereas the Genesis likely uses a standard 20-pound tank. Think about convenience versus capacity.
Good point. The Genesis weighs almost 200 pounds. Not exactly portable. What about materials?
Both are Weber, so quality is probably decent. The Q1000 has cast aluminum, while the Genesis is stainless steel. Stainless steel is likely more durable, but also heavier.
So, Q1000. Small, portable, affordable, basic. Genesis E335. Large, powerful, expensive, feature-rich. I guess it depends on what I need.
Exactly. If you're grilling for a crowd or want all the bells and whistles, Genesis is your grill. If it's just for you or a small group, and portability is key, the Q1000 is a great choice. Plus, you can add a griddle to the Q1000.
Okay, thanks. I think I'm leaning towards the Q1000 for now. Maybe I'll upgrade to a Genesis later. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.